Hello students, today we will learn how to solve word problems. In word problems, questions are giving you some hints. We will find out them, then we can solve our question. So I am taking one question to explain you all. This is the distance between the school and the house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So for solution we can write as per question what is given. This is the distance between school and house, which is 1 kilometer 875 meter. We can notice distance units are not same, so we will make them same. So 1 kilometer we will write as it is, and 875 meter we will divide by 1000 and it will convert into kilometer. So we will get 1 kilometer plus 0.875 kilometer. After addition we will get 1.875 kilometer. As per the question, student is walking both ways. So here is the house and she is walking 1.875 kilometer for school, and after school again she is walking 1.875 kilometer for her house. So what she is doing, she is walking on the same way two times. So distance traveled by her in a day we will multiply by 2. So 2 multiply by 1.875 kilometer, so it will be 3.750. So if we are having the distance traveled in a day, so how to find out the distance traveled in a 6 days? Obviously we will multiply by 6. So we will multiply by 6 into 3.75 kilometer, which is the distance covered in a day. So our answer is 22.500 kilometer. Let's see which is our next word problem. Here, a student multiplied 6372 by 85 instead of multiplying by 58. How much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Students, in our solution, we will start from the mentioning things. Here it is clearly given that this digit has been changed. He used 85 in place of 58. To find the effect of this mistake, we will find the difference between 85 and 58. That is 85 minus 58, and it is 27. To find the difference between the correct and incorrect answer, we will multiply 6372 by 27, which is actually the difference of 85 and 58, and we'll get 1,72,044. So we can say that the incorrect answer was 1,72,044 greater than the correct answer. Now come to the question number 3. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched? And second one is how many cloth will remain? So students, to solve this question, first of all we will convert all the units in centimeter. So the total length of cloth is given 40 meter. At the place of meter, we will write 100 centimeter and answer will be 4000 centimeter. Similarly, the cloth is needed for one shirt. It is also given, that is 2 meter 15 centimeter. And at the place of meter, again we can write 100 centimeter. So it will be 2 multiply 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, and answer will be 215 centimeter. Students, whenever question is asking about the number of boxes, number of glasses, number of shirts, we will go for division of process. So here, to find the number of shirts can be stitched, we will divide the total length of cloth by the length required for one shirt. So here we will use the measurement in centimeters. We will write 4000 centimeter divided by 215 centimeter. Now here you can see after the division we have 18 as a quotient, and this is our first answer. So we can stitch 18 shirts. And for the second part of question, what is written? How much cloth is left after stitching 18 shirts? So our remainder is 130. After conversion, it will divide by 100 and it will convert into meter, and our answer will be 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Now we will solve our next question, that is, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. So students, to solve this word problem, we have 5 different digits. These are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. We all know that greatest 5-digit number can be formed by arranging all the digits in the decreasing order, and the number will be 76,432. Similarly, for smallest 5-digit number can be formed by arranging all the digits in increasing order, and the number will be 23,467. Now, to find the difference, we will do subtraction. So, difference of 76,432 and 23,467. It will be 52,965, which will be our final answer. Students, I hope all you will be getting these session solution methods and will be able to solve the assignment number 3.